What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and I want to showcase to you how I'm able to profit over $100 right now on a simple trade strategy: buying low, selling high. Obviously buying at support levels and selling at resistance levels, or riding that wave as it continues to go up. So we are trading ASST today. We bought 100 shares at $1.69. My only regret is I didn't buy 1,000 shares, as we would be up over $900 instead of only 90 bucks. But nonetheless, we are still up over 55% on our position. Now that is 10% of an open position out of all the money we have right now. I do have a couple other positions in SMFL. We are up about 4%, again trying to catch that support to resistance level. LFCR, again trying to get that support and catch that bounce to the resistance level. And then of course we have a couple $100 of Mara, as it is around that support level as well, bouncing up to that resistance. But the main focus today is on ASST, and as you can see here, it's riding nicely above that 45-day moving average. It's above the volume weighted average price, the VWAP. It's above the 200-day moving average, the 45-day moving average, and the 9-day moving average is continuing to rise. We just cleared over $100 now. First off, what did we do? Well, we identified ASST. Previously, we traded this before. It got to highs of $3.94, as you can see right there on the last breakout that it had. We did trade it back in these levels here, which is pretty cool. We made a pretty good amount of money. And now we've been watching it as it did have resistance here. Now this resistance, obviously this was a red line. It was like this, okay, this was resistance, and I bought down in this area because I believed, look, it's at a really nice price down in this level. We're gonna buy this breakout, and if not, we'll wait a day or two for it to consolidate down at support and then continue or start to push up. Well, that push started today, and I'm glad that I got in 100 shares down at that 169 level. It's tested 245 for just a minute, and then it came back down, stayed above the EMA levels line there, the blue line, and then it bounced up above resistance, came back down, bounced up one more time, and then came down right here at this point and validated that this is now a support level. Okay. And what's cool is that the 45-day moving average is acting as support. So as long as it stays above this line all day, then this can continue to go up all day long. Even to highs of $3.93. It can go up to highs of $4, $5. I believe analysts are I thought they were saying that this was going to go up to 10, what was it, 10? Oh, they have no rating on here. Interesting. No rating. So you can either lock in profits now, or you can hold and wait to see if it does go up any higher to maybe that $3 mark. Looks like we're catching some resistance now at 274, which isn't too bad considering how much it's gone up. It's up over 84%, 85%, which is just amazing. So we're doing really good with ASST today. And yeah, I wanted to see the feeds real quick, see if there's any news or anything going on. I could see it better and faster on my phone. We may hit $3 today. It is possible. May hit 27, it hit 274. I think it's going to be hard for it to break that, but if it can break 274, then I think this can be a nice stock that can potentially go up to $5 eventually. Definitely maybe $4, but if it goes to 4, it's going to go even further, and this thing can completely just rip up. So yeah, that's kind of my insight on ASST. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to watch me trade live every single morning like this, I did trade this at the open about 2 minutes after open. We're already live with the Learn to Earn team and trading and looking at all these different stocks to buy and trade. And so yeah, definitely check it out, as we do go live every morning for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'd love to see you there. You could ask me questions and watch me trade in and out of positions when we go live. Also check out the Discord channel, second link in the description below. That'll give you access not only to all of my past live day trading sessions, but it gives you trade ideas, my position sizes, whether I'm in long, short, how much, and when I add to a position, when I take away, when I sell for a profit or a loss, etc. So definitely check that out. Second link in the description below, 100% free. The Discord channel, our Learn to Earn team and I have created. So definitely check it out. Thank you guys, and we'll see you all in the next video.